wasting our days, and the ones who try too hard in life just live their